listening to your weather radio, station WXK36. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Anderson County and Central Texas until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Montalba, or 12 miles northwest of Palestine, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palestine, Montalba, Brushy Creek, Pert, Bradford, Crystal Lake, Dark, Todd City, Neches and Tennessee Colony. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning can kill. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Anderson, Texas,